Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Soulful Cookbook. Today's recipe is Oats Khichdi. Take half cup moong dal, rinse it like 3 to 4 times. Take half cup oats, you need not wash the oats. I have used Kellogg's oats, you can use any oats of your choice. Now add 3 and a half cup of water. Measure in the same cup in which you have measured dal and oats. Thank you guys for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for the future updates.